Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will find. This is class 9th subject general science. Our today's topic is atoms and molecules. Atoms. Ancient Indian and Greek philosophers, they have always puzzled about the unknown and unseen form of matter. The idea of divisibility of matter, it was considered long back in India around 500 BC, and Indian philosopher Maharishi Kanad postulated that if we go on dividing matter, we shall get smaller and smaller particles. Ak Indian philosopher temis os naw Maharishi Kanad. Temi hasa dopu tum agar is matter karo divide, agar is rojan matter divide kara कि ऐसे मिलन smaller and smaller particles, and ultimately won them a time will come, time akh hasa yel as when we come across the smallest particles beyond which further division will not be possible. कि time वात कि अस मिलन तम तीत लकट particles कि यम further हेको divide करित किहि. तमे हसा थोम ना he named these particles as parmenu. Another Indian philosopher apa tempat temis os na Pakuda Katayama elaborated this doctrine, and he said that these particles normally exist in a combined form. Particles normally exist gasa combined form, which give us various forms of matter. Various forms of matter. The particle nature of matter, it was also known by John Dalton. John Dalton, he also postulated that if we go on dividing matter, we shall get smaller and smaller particles. On continuous dividing, what happens? A time will come when we get a particle which cannot be further broken down into the smaller particles. He called these particles which are indivisible, he called these particles as atoms. It has been derived from the Greek word atomos. Atomos means indivisible, which cannot be further broken down into the smallest particles. By the smallest. So we came to the conclusion that all these forms of matter, they are made up of small particles which are called atoms. Or in other words, we can say that atoms are democrats. Around the same era, ancient Greek philosophers Democritus and Leucippus suggest that if we go on dividing a matter, a stage will come when particles obtained cannot be divided further. Democritus, he called these individual particles atoms. All this was based on philosophical considerations and not much experimental work to validate these ideas could be done till the 18th century. By the end of the 18th century, scientists recognized the difference between the elements and compounds and naturally become interested in finding out how and why elements combine and what happens when they combine. Anthony Lavoisier laid the foundation of chemical science by establishing two important laws of chemical combination. And I said the laws of chemical combinations. Laws of chemical combination. He gave the two laws of chemical combination. A law of constant proportion, and another is called law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass.